Hello, everyone. Eric Woods here. I'm the founder and producer of the Cinematic Sound Radio Podcast Network. I'm also the host of the flagship show on the network. The Cinematic Sound Radio Podcast Network is dedicated to celebrating the art of film, TV, and video game music. The original show began on terrestrial radio in 1996 before transitioning to an online-only show. Over the years, many listeners have asked how they could support the show. We really appreciate all the support of the program by you listening to the show or sharing it with your friends or family, or even putting the show on social media. But if you want to send a few bucks our way, I'm not going to say no. So, with your support of only a few dollars a month, you'll be able to help pay for our web server. It's a payment that comes up every year. Additional improvements to the website, among other things. And in return, you're going to get some pretty good rewards, including access to the Discord server, voting privileges on exclusive polls, listen to old FM broadcasts of the show, requests, and the opportunity to program your own show and co-host it with me. And if you have any other suggestions for rewards, please let us know at cinematicsound@yahoo.com. Again, thanks for your support over the years, the decades, but with the additional help of our patrons, we are hoping to make the Cinematic Sound Radio Podcast Network even bigger and better. Thanks again, and happy listening.